Alrighty, good morning guys. It is Wildcat Wednesday and it is also our day that we're starting 3-digit subtraction with regrouping. And so I wanted to do a little mini lesson over that and also do some breathing with you guys. Alright, so last week we did bubble breaths. So this week let's do some rainbow breaths. And this is what we've done in class again before, but so just take a couple of minutes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Okay, and it's your choice if you want to close your eyes or if you want to just look ahead. But remember, when we're doing our breathing, we want to make sure that we are being mindful, we're relaxing our thoughts, relaxing our mind, and just being present in the moment. And all right, let's get started. So if you don't remember rainbow breaths, what we do is we have our palms facing up and have your hands starting down. Then when we breathe in, once again, we breathe in and count to 3. And as we're breathing in, we bring our arms up like a rainbow. Okay, then when you get to the top, we just pause for a minute. And then we blow our air out of our belly and make our rainbow go back down. Okay, so let's do 3 or 4 of those, and then we will get started with our math. All right, ready? And breathe in. And out. Nice deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. And out. Let's do one more. Deep breath in. And out. All right, so rainbow breaths are supposed to help you with stress. They're supposed to help you just kind of start your day off right, get your blood flowing, and hopefully to relax some of those negative thoughts. One more that I'd like to do that Kylie had shared with us in class was our stress ball. So why don't we do that one too? And so remember, when you're breathing in, you're pushing all of your stress into your ball. And then when you're breathing out, you're letting all of those go and just kind of relaxing. So getting all that tension in one place and then letting it go. All right, so let's try that. Ready? Breathe in. Hold that stress, push all that stress into one ball and breathe out. One more time. And out. All right, wow, I don't know about y'all, but I feel a lot better today. Okay, so I wanted to look at our anchor chart, or one of the things that we used in class for 2-digit or double-digit subtraction with regrouping. So 3-digit subtraction with regrouping is going to be the exact same thing. We're just going to add the hundreds place, okay? So in this, it says line up your tens and your ones. So for us, we're going to line up our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. And then we're going to start on the right. Okay, and then our little chant, more on the floor. So if there's more on the floor, then you go next door to get 10 more. So we're going to do the same exact thing that we've learned with double-digit subtraction. We're just going to add the hundreds now. Okay, so let's look at that. I'm going to stick this up here in case you need to look at it when you're doing your work. It's not sticking too good. Okay, so the problem that we're going to work through right now together is this one, 532 minus 227. Okay, so just like I would do over here, I'm going to go ahead and fill out my hundreds, tens, and ones chart, drawing out my place value pictures. Okay, so the first number, this is the number that I'm drawing. This is the number I'm taking away. Okay, so I'm going to draw out 5 hundreds Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 3 10s. I'm going to draw in my 10 spot. 1, 2, 3. And then I have 2 1s. 1, 2. All right, so now what I need to do is I need to see what I'm subtracting. So I always start in my ones place. Start on the right. So on the right is right here. All right, so they're wanting me to subtract 7 from 2. And I know that 7 is bigger than 2, so I can't do that. So what does it tell us to do? More on the floor, go next door, and get 10 more. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a 10 away, and I'm just going to move it over here. Okay, so I'm going to cross out my 10, and I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to draw out 10 ones. All right, so now this looks better. Now I can look at 7 and I can look at this. I know I have 10, 11, 12. 12 is bigger than 7, so now I can start taking away. So now I'm going to X out 7 that I'm taking away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I always like to circle what's left over so it's easy for me to see. I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. Okay? Then I took this 10 away, so I've already X'd that out. So that one I can cover. And then I'm going to look up here, and I'm taking away 2 more 10s. Well, I have 2 here, and I still have 2 here. So I can do that. So I'm going to X out the 2 that I'm taking away. 1, 2. And I see I don't have anything left, and that's okay. I can just write a 0 there. Now I'm moving on to my last place, the hundreds. So I see that they want me to take away 2 100s. I have 5, so I have plenty that I can take away. So I'm going to X out the 2, and then circle what I have left. And I see I have 1, 2, 3, 3 hundreds left. Okay, so now I'm going to write out my final answer. 300, no 10s, 5. So 305. 305 is my answer. All right, so guys, let me know what you need from me on this. I know it's a tricky concept, so please give me an email or a chat or a text, whatever you need to do to get a hold of me. Please do that so that we can work on this together if you're confused. All right, have a wonderful Wednesday. Get outside, enjoy the sun, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with this. All right, bye.